Hi viewers, the another new topic I have chosen for this video lecture. It is RK fourth order method. That is, RK represents a RUNGE KUTTA fourth order method. Here also we are going to solve the ordinary differential equation, first order ordinary differential equation only with the help of the initial condition y of x naught is equivalent to y naught. Y of x naught equivalent to y naught. Right. Then the RK fourth order formula is yn plus 1 equivalent to yn plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Here k1 represents h into f of xn comma yn. K2 represents h into everything in all the places. H it is in multiplication. Don't do the mistake or don't forget it to multiply h value in each and every part. K1 is equivalent to h into f of x and yn. K2 is h into f of xn plus h by 2, comma yn plus k1 by 2. Next K3, h into f of the similar thing xn plus h by 2, comma yn plus the value will be changed, the recent value k2 by 2. Then K4 is h into f of xn plus h yn plus k3. So this is what the formula. We have to find k1, k2, k3, k4 value with the help of this, and we are substituting here. We can get the answer. So some authors they will give the formula like yn plus 1 is equivalent to yn plus delta y. Delta y represents 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So delta y separately they will find delta here delta y equivalent to 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So some authors they are using the concept in that way. Either this or that you can follow here. I have given directly like this, so no need to give the substitution del y and then no need to separately find it and then substitute it. Directly we can write the formula. That is what I have done here. So again I will repeat it. This is what the formula for RQ method. Yn plus 1 equivalent to yn plus 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. K1, K2, K3, K4 we have to find. If we are substituting in it, we can get the answer. Again, look at that. Here n values n varies from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. If you want to find 1, we have to give, if you want to find y1, we have to give n equal to 0 in all the places. N equal to 0 means y1 you will get, here y0 in all the places you have to give n suffix n. That value n value is 0. That is what we are going to do here. So I have chosen a problem for better understanding. Using RK method of fourth order, first order, second order, third order, such kind of concepts also there, but particularly I have chosen here fourth order. This is what there in your syllabus. Right, using RK fourth order method to solve this ODE, initial condition y of 0 equal to 1 he has given at x equal to 0.2, 0.4. At x equal to 0.2 you have to find, and at x equal to 0.4 you have to find the solution of the differential equation. That is y value you have to find at x equal to 0.2, x equal to 0.4. That's it guys. Right. So in as usual way, read the first one, whatever they have given, take it, and what we have to find, conclude it, then only easily we can complete the problem. X naught equivalent to 0, y naught is 1, initial condition. Thereafter, x1 is 0.2, he has given, we have to find y1. x2 is 0.4, we have to find y2. That's it. Now, first we have to complete this part and then only this part. This is first one, and then using x1, y1, we will move for x2, to find the value of y2. Right, I have to find y1. What is the value I have to give in RK method formula? Would you remember? What is RK method formula? Yeah, this is what RQ method formula. Yn plus 1 equivalent to Yn plus x into Yn plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. In this formula, we have to give n value as 0. Now give n equal to 0. I have written the formula once again here. Yn plus 1 equivalent to Yn plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. What is K1 represents? H into h times of f of x and yn. K2 is h time of f of xn plus h by 2 comma y1 plus k2 by 2. K3 also similar. In this place there will be the change. K4 is h into h times f of xn plus h comma yn plus k3. Right, give n equal to 0 in the above equation. We will get this one only. Left hand side y1 y0, and in all the k1 k2 k3 places, what is what k1? It is h into f of x0 comma y0. Then what about k2? It is equivalent to h into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. Then what about k3? H into f of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. In all the places you have to replace 0. That's what the meaning here. And k4 is h into f of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. So we have, if you are giving n equal to 0 in all the places in the entire formula, you have to give n equal to 0 there. Clear? Right. Now we will find one by one. Here k1. K1 is h into f of x0 y0 because n equal to 0 we are giving. Then h into f of 0 comma 1. What is the x0 value? 0 given 1. Y0 value 1. So what is our f of x comma y? Our f of x comma y is y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square. You can insert this formula also in your calculator like alpha y square minus alpha x square divided by alpha y square plus alpha brace should be bracket should be proper, that it should be proper to avoid mistakes. Y square plus alpha x square plus calculate button CALC, there will be the question mark x is what. So you no need to insert the value again and again, guys. If you are doing like that, you will commit some bracket mistake and you will waste your time in your exam. So insert the formula like this and press calculate button. There will be question mark x is what. Now what you have to give x value? X value, it is asking what? It is equal to, we have to give, press equivalent to give 0. And if you are pressing 0, it will ask y is what, because there are two variables x and y are there. If you want to use, if you are using pink color, if you want to use pink color letters, you have to use alpha button. So here only two variables. Similarly, you can use how many pink color letters are there in the calculator. X, Y is M, A, B, C, D, E, F, I think so. Everything you can use to insert the formula. Again, y value 1 you have to give. If you're giving 1 and then press equal to button, then what you can get? Easily you can get the answer. Y value you have to give 1 and you can get the answer directly 0.2 if you press equal to button. This is the way we have to insert the formula and get the answer in the easiest way. Always I used to say that, guys, do not skip my videos, because some this kind of important clues and tricks I will give you while I'm solving the problem. If you skip it, you can't able to understand. So you have to waste your time in your exam. Right. Now insert the formula like that. Not only in this, in the upcoming problem, the entire problem, you can insert the formula like that. Simply you can get the answer. Right. Next we have to find K2. What is K2 formula? H into f of x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k1 by 2. So h value is 0.2, it's in multiplication. F of x0 plus h by 2. What is x0? 0 plus 0.2 divided by 2, comma, this one only, comma, y0 value 1 plus k1 is just before we found 0.2 divided by 2. So it will be 0.1. Here, if we cancel this, it will be 0.1. 1 plus 0.1, it is 1.1. Here, 0 plus 0.1, it is 0.1. That's it. F of 0.1, comma 1.1. You should substitute in that formula given f of x, comma y. F of x, comma y, here it is y square minus x square divided by y square plus x square. Here you have to substitute it. That's it, guys. So if you are substituting x value, oh, sorry, y value is 1.1. 1.1 square minus 0.1 square, x square. This is x. In the place of x, replace 0.1. In the place of y, replace 1.1. That's it. We can get this answer. It's so easy, guys. RK method is the very easiest concept and important topic also for big questions. So most of the semester exam on university and some other universities also, it will be important one. Right. K3 is equivalent to h into f of x naught plus h by 2, comma, y naught plus k2 by 2. We have to proceed in the similar way. Now replace x naught value and y naught value h by 2, k2 by 2. K2 just before you found. This value is k2. Substitute here. Yeah, if you are substituting like that, you will get this. And 0.2 into f of 0.1 comma 1.1098. So in the same equation, you have to replace x by 0.1, y by 1.098. So replace this, we can get the answer 0.1967. So this is the value of K3. Similarly, what is K for formula? H into f of x naught plus h, y naught plus K3. So 0.2 into f of, we'll get this. In that formula, replace x by 0.2, y by 1.1967. So you can get 0.1891. So K1, K2, K3, K4 value over. Substitute in equation 1. What is equation 1? Y naught plus 1 by 6 into K1 plus 2 times of K2, 2 times of K3 plus K4. Substitute it here. This will be the final answer for Y1, guys. That's it. So we have completed the part of Y1. Now we have to find Y2. To find Y2, so what I have to do for that? Let n equal to 1 in the entire formula. Let n equal to 1. Y2 is equivalent to Y1 plus 1 by 6, K1 plus 2K2 plus 2K3 plus K4. This is take that as next equation number 3. In this one only we have to substitute all the values of K's now. So that's why I have named it as equation number 3. Now find K1. K1 equivalent to H into in all the places you have to replace n by 1. So x1 comma value. So 0.2 into what is x1 value just before you found everything. X1 is given 0.2. Y1 is 1.1960. So in the place of x replace 0.2. In the place of y replace y by 1.1960. So replace it, we can get the answer K1. Similarly, proceed for K2. K2 formula is this. Here we are replacing n by 1. That's why we are getting n suffix 1 here, x1 and y suffix 1. Right. Now substitute it here. You will get this one. Replace x by in the formula given function, replace x by 0.3, y by 1.2906. So the answer for K2 will be this. Similarly, proceed for K3. The K3 answer will be this and K4. K4 formula is h into f of x1 plus h, y1 plus K3. So h into y, h is by 0.2 into f of x1 plus h. Substitute x1 value, x1 is 0.2 plus h value is 0.2, comma, y1 is we found it is in the previous one 1.1960. This value 1.19, sorry, 19 this 1960 plus K3 just before you found 0.1793. So this addition will give this. This addition part will give this. Now we have to replace x by this, y by this in the given function. Look at that. In the place of x, we are getting 0.4. In the place of y, y square minus x square by y square plus x square will be the given function. Substituted 0.1687. So we found all the values of K1, K2, K3, K4. We should substitute in the region equation number 3. This is what equation number 3. Substitute it here. Simplify that. We can get the answer. Yes, that's it. So at x1 0.2, this is y1 value. x2 0.4, y2 is this. That's it, guys. So this is the way to solve RK method. RK method can be also called RUNGE KUTTA method of fourth order. RK fourth order method or RUNGE KUTTA fourth order method. Got it? Right. I hope it will be very useful one. So if it is useful one for you, like it and share to your friends, subscribe. Thank you guys.